warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidina wa nabiyyina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. Respected President and dear audience and beloved brothers, today on this auspicious occasion I am going to deliver speech on the topic of Indian Independence Day. As you know very well, it's the most important day for all Indian citizens. It's the day when we got freedom from British rule after many years hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India. We celebrate this day every year on the 15th August for the sacrifices of our great freedom fighters and our ulama who sacrificed their lives for making India free. Today in all over India there are many programs and celebrations are held for remembering of our freedom fighters, but unfortunately the role of Muslim and the sacrifices of our great freedom fighters and the sacrifices of our ulama who sacrificed their lives for freedom are not mentioned anywhere. That's why today I am going to talk about the real history of freedom and full history of Indian independence. As you know very well that before 1947 the British government used to be in India. The British come in India for trade purpose. In 1608 later they established the East India Company and become more powerful. In 1757, the first military force come in India, which was led by Robert Clive and fought against Nawab Siraj-ud-Dawla and Plassey Field because of Mir Jafar's disloyalty. The British force defeated Nawab. Since then, the dark days of India had started and the East India Company transformed from trader to ruler. After the Battle of Plassey in 1757 and later the Battle of Buxar in 1764, the East India Company became a political power and ruled separately till 1857. But after 1857 independence battle, the British Crown ruled till 1947 in full power, such as the British Raj ended on the 15th August 1947. After many struggles and sacrifices of our ulama, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh and Christians, when they all fought against British, then they had to go back from India and our lovely country became free on the 15th August 1947. How can you forget the sacrifices of Muslims? Let me tell you that till 1857, only Muslims fought against British. But after 1857, Hindu, Sikh and Christian brothers took part in independence struggle. Then our country became free on the 15th August 1947. The great freedom fighters were Mahatma Gandhi, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Maulana Hussain Ahmad Madni, Maulana Mahmudul Hasan Devbandi, Tipu Sultan, Ashfaqullah Khan, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad. Now I am going to wind up my speech. May Allah keep all Indians safe and prosperous and may India be the most beautiful place in the world. Amin. नफरत बुरी है ना पालो इसे, दिलों में खलिश है निकालो इसे, ना तेरा ना मेरा ना इसका ना उसका, ना तेरा ना मेरा ना इसका ना उसका, ये वतन है हम सब का बचा लो इसे। वाखिर दावाना अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन।